Hey folks, it's Andy here from Mbira Magic. I wanted to share this instrument with you from Rodrigo. It's a Katsanzaira, a higher tuning. Um, I'll show you how the notes relate in a second. Rodrigo's making some really beautiful instruments. He makes some Mbiras and Kalimbas. He's studied with different makers in Zimbabwe, and over the years he's been refining his technique, and he's creating some really beautiful instruments. I particularly like the higher tuned instruments that with the higher sounds that he's making. And on this one, he made a different type of sort of resonator buzzer box. He can do all sorts of different approaches for you there. I think typically he's making wire tuned, the traditional approach, using woods from Argentina, more sustainable woods than those that are getting exhausted in Zimbabwe. Just really beautiful, beautiful to play. I'm trying to think what else I can tell you about his instruments. He's really innovative. There's some like hollow bodied instruments that he's making, different layouts, different forging techniques, different finishings on the keys. So there's all sorts of customization options you can ask him for. He's a really sought after Mbira maker now. So there will be a waiting list. But yeah, these are really desirable instruments. It was around 2015 when I wrote my first Mbira book that I started getting in touch with Rodrigo, and every interaction I've had with him has been really honourable and beautiful. Yeah, he's full of love and respect for the tradition of Zimbabwean Mbira. So yeah, there's a link also to his documentary Kuna Kiwa, which means to enjoy, on the Mbira Magic website, which our community helped to fund the production costs of. So this tuning, Katsanzaira, it feels like this note here, what I call note 7, is like the root or home note of a major scale, or close to. And that changes the flavour of the songs as you play the same patterns on a different instrument. Yeah, Katsanzaira means something like the sound of falling rain, and it's a beautiful sound. Beautiful, yeah. Really recommend you get in touch with Rodrigo if you're after an instrument that you'll love and enjoy playing for a long time. I've had this one since 2021, and it's as beautiful today as the day I first received it. Rodrigo, I love your work. Keep going, keep pushing. Everything you make is beautiful.